We are almost done with this row.
Every ship can is checked for airtight sealing before it enters sterilization.
Protecting peaches during sterilization and storage.
Make sure they are ripe before you pick them.
We are almost done with this row.
Gently twist the fruit from the branch instead of pulling. This ensures a clean break and prevents damage to the tree.
Harvested peaches are weighed and approved before leaving the orchard.
Peaches are transported under strict temperature control to preserve freshness.
Every shipment is tracked in real time to ensure optimal conditions.
Every shipment is registered before processing begins.
Only peaches that meet strict standards continue to processing.
This step removes bacteria and ensures food safety standards.
Only correctly graded peaches move forward to processing.
The pit is removed without damaging the fruit's structure.
Hot water blanching softens the fruit, brightens color, and eliminates surface bacteria.
Every slice is checked to ensure optimal texture and color before syrup filling.
Sugar and water are carefully mixed to create the perfect syrup for peaches. Each batch is tested to ensure the syrup has the correct sweetness and consistency.
Each can is filled precisely to maintain quality and flavor. Every can is checked for airtight sealing before it enters sterilization.
Sealing ensures each can is airtight, protecting peaches during sterilization and storage. The retort uses high heat to sterilize peaches, ensuring long shelf life without compromising texture.
Pressure holding steady at 15.
Confirmed. T-minus 10 seconds. Cycle complete. Validate indicators.
Peaches are fully sterilized, safe for long-term storage, and ready for packaging and shipping.
After sterilization and cooling, peaches are ready for labeling, packaging, and distribution.
Each can receives a precise label, ensuring brand consistency and traceability.
Packed cans are palletized efficiently for safe transportation to distributors.
From orchard to factory to store shelves, every step ensures quality peaches reach you fresh and delicious.
Before leaving the factory, each batch undergoes a final quality check to ensure freshness and safety.
And that's how our peaches go from the orchard to your shelves. A, fresh, delicious, and perfectly canned.